Imagine a future where your social media scrolling and online shopping are powered by the same energy source as nuclear submarines. Tech giants Meta and Microsoft are taking bold steps to make that future a reality, signing landmark deals to harness nuclear energy. But what does this mean for the energy sector and investors? Join us as we unravel the implications of these groundbreaking moves and discover which companies might be poised for electrifying returns. Welcome to our channel, where we decode the latest in technology and investment trends. Today, we're exploring a seismic shift in the energy sector, led by some of the biggest names in tech, Meta and Microsoft. With the increasing demand for clean and sustainable power sources, these companies are setting a precedent by opting for nuclear energy to fuel their data centers and technological advancements. But why nuclear? And why now? We'll dive into the details of Meta's 20-year agreement with Constellation Energy and Microsoft's parallel move with the Three Mile Island facility. These decisions not only highlight the urgent need for reliable and scalable power, but also signal a transformative era for nuclear energy in the tech industry. Stay with us as we discuss the potential winners in this energy revolution and what savvy investors should watch out for. In today's value-packed segment, we're going to break down the strategic energy moves made by Meta and Microsoft, and what these mean for the future of the tech and energy sectors. First, we'll explore Meta's unprecedented 20-year deal with Constellation Energy. Starting in June 2027, Meta will leverage 1.1 gigawatts from a single nuclear reactor in Clinton, Illinois, a facility once on the verge of closure. This decision underscores the growing necessity for alternative energy sources as data demands skyrocket with the rise of AI and quantum computing. On a parallel note, Microsoft's deal to restart the Three Mile Island reactor highlights a shift in corporate strategy towards sustainable energy and the reopening of historical, yet underutilized power assets. But the story doesn't end with these tech behemoths. We'll also look at industry players like Vistra Corp, Oklo, and GE Vernova, each contributing uniquely to the nuclear energy landscape. From Vistra's diverse energy portfolio to Oklo's innovative fast fission plants and GE Vernova's advanced nuclear technologies, these companies are set to play crucial roles in meeting the world's escalating energy needs. We'll also discuss Oklo's promising stock pattern and what it signifies for potential investors. Grab your notepads because by the end of this segment, you'll have a clear understanding of how these developments might affect your investment strategy and why keeping an eye on nuclear energy could be financially rewarding. Recently, major tech corporations like Meta Platforms and Microsoft have taken significant steps towards securing sustainable energy sources by opting for nuclear power to fuel their expanding energy needs. Meta Platforms has inked a 20-year agreement to purchase 1.1 gigawatts of nuclear energy from Constellation Energy's facility in Clinton, Illinois, commencing in 2027. This contract aligns with Meta's increasing electricity demands driven by data center expansions, advances in artificial intelligence, and future quantum computing needs. This move also prolongs the operational life of the Clinton facility, which faced potential closure once its state-funded zero-emission credits expired. Notably, this agreement marks the first of its kind in the United States, although Constellation previously arranged a similar deal with Microsoft at the Three Mile Island facility, infamous for the worst nuclear accident in U.S. history. The emphasis on sourcing power beyond the existing grid, already strained by widespread business and residential requirements, reflects a growing trend among hyperscalers. In addition, tech giants like Amazon and Alphabet have collectively pledged to triple global nuclear energy production by 2050, underscoring the escalating demand for this clean power source. Incidentally, this push toward nuclear energy has positively impacted Constellation Energy's stock, which has climbed 10% overnight, with even higher intraday increases reported. The ripple effect of Meta and Microsoft's nuclear energy endeavors is evident across the energy sector, with various companies engaged in nuclear power manufacturing, brokering, or provision witnessing shifts in market dynamics. Vistra Corp, an energy provider from Irving, Texas, offering power from diverse sources such as natural gas, coal, solar, and nuclear, saw its stock price rise over 4% in response to the Constellation Energy developments. Similarly, Oklo, a company involved in developing fast fission power plants and collaborating with the Department of Energy on advanced fuel recycling technologies, has experienced positive investor sentiment. Other notable companies within this space include NRG Energy, Exelon, and NuScale Power. A closer look at Oklo reveals an intriguing financial picture. Despite lacking substantial operating income and debt, its stock displays a bullish technical pattern and relative strength, indicating potential growth opportunities. The technical chart of Oklo reveals a classic cup with handle pattern with a $57 pivot point, with its stock trading at over $55 early in the week. Investors are advised to approach Oklo with strategic forethought, either waiting for the stock to break past the pivot on momentum or holding back for a deeper technical formation that enriches the handle pattern. Overall, these developments signal an exciting era in the energy sector, as traditional nuclear organizations and upcoming enterprises like Oklo are poised to cater to the accelerating energy consumption needs of technology-driven industries. This strategic shift is not just a market reaction to meet existing demand, but a vision for a sustainable power landscape in anticipation of future technological advancements. In our comprehensive recap of today's analysis, let's revisit the pivotal developments in the integration of nuclear energy by tech giants Meta and Microsoft. As we've learned, these companies are not merely adopting a new power source, they're championing a paradigm shift that could redefine energy consumption in the tech industry. Starting with Meta, their 20-year commitment to purchase nuclear energy from Constellation Energy marks a historic initiative in corporate energy strategy. It's a move driven by the insatiable energy demands of a rapidly evolving technological landscape, particularly with the expansion of data centers and the advent of AI and quantum computing. Meta's agreement essentially breathes new life into Constellation's Clinton nuclear facility, securing a stable power supply that won't strain the already overburdened national grid. Meanwhile, Microsoft's contract with the Three Mile Island plant further emphasizes the tech industry's pivot towards sustainable and reliable energy solutions. This facility, once the center of the worst nuclear accident in U.S. history, is now a symbol of redemption and innovation in the energy sector. Our analysis also touched on other key players like Vistra Corp and Oklo, each uniquely positioned to benefit from or contribute to this nuclear resurgence. Vistra, with its diverse energy sources, and Oklo, pioneering fast fission technology, highlight the sector's dynamic nature. Furthermore, GE Vernova's technological prowess in nuclear power solutions demonstrates their significant role in this evolving energy narrative. The investment implications are equally compelling. We analyzed Oklo's stock movements, identifying a classic cup-with-handle chart pattern, a promising sign for potential investors. Yet, as always, caution is pivotal. Recognizing the right entry points, such as a momentum-driven breakthrough or retracement, can be crucial for maximizing returns. As we've seen, the intersection of tech and energy sectors opens up a realm of opportunities, but it requires keen insight and strategic foresight. For investors, this shift presents an opportunity to align portfolios with a future dominated by sustainable energy solutions. If you found this analysis insightful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Stay ahead in the game by checking out our playlists on Wall Street, companies, and Investment 101 for more in-depth industry insights and investment tips. Join our community to stay informed on the latest trends shaping the future of energy and technology.